Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a few new products from ESR for the iPhone Air. And a big thanks to ESR for sending these out for review. First up, we're going to take a look at the hybrid magnetic case. And I do have a few different color options here. So we do have the frosted blue, clear black, and clear. Current price on Amazon is $29.99. So this case is going to feature a stash stand, and it's stashed away right here in the camera cutout, which is really nice. You can go from 0 to 85 degrees for whatever viewing angle you want to go for, and it's going to stay strong even after 3,000 uses. We've also got, of course, MagSafe here, so you can use any MagSafe accessories, and you do have a fully covered camera control button as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a quick look at it. So this is the clear. So if you're looking to keep that nice clear view of your phone, this one will be great for that. All right, so in the box, we've got easy replacement for no return. And then this also tells you how to use that stand. So you can use it all three of these ways here. And then we've got, of course, a little list of their MagSafe accessories. And I've had a couple of them, and they're pretty good. So taking a look at the case itself, you can see we've got a very traditional clear case. Got that MagSafe ring. How we do this? Oh, it's from the side. And it is metal, really nice and sturdy, like that. And here it is from the side here. You can see we do have some nice rigidity here. Fully covered camera button, which is really nice. All right, let's go ahead and pop our iPhone Air in here and take a quick look. All right, and as you can see, not going to add too much bulk to the phone. It's a very, very thin phone, as you can see here. We do have full protection for the camera, including that stash stand. So even with that open, you can see we have some protection for our camera, which is really nice. And taking a look at the side here, you can see we have a perfectly covered power button, nice and clicky there. And then we also have that perfectly covered camera cutout. And this also allows us to use the capacitive functions of the button as if there was no case on here. So of course we can single click to open our camera, and then we can go through our zoom functions just like we could without the case on here, and works perfectly. On the other side, of course, we have covers for our action button and our volume buttons. Nice and clicky there also. Perfect cutouts here on the bottom for our microphone and USB-C, and that should be just big enough so you can use different USB-C chargers. On the side, you can see those bumpers. So we have that nice drop protection. Of course, around the lip of the phone, we have a nice raised lip so that we can protect our screen. And of course, as I mentioned, we've got that stand, so that's really nice. It's going to protect our camera also. And other thing to note here is on the side, we have a little spot for a lanyard also. So if you wanted to use a lanyard, you can, just on that one side. Now, checking out the stand, you've got a couple different methods here. So of course, we can go all the way out like so. That's how that's going to look. And of course, you can adjust it from 0 to 85 degrees, just like so. And then it just pops right back in. So it's really nice if you wanted to have your phone at your desk and watch something on your phone. That's pretty nice. And you can use it this way also, so if you're watching vertical content. All right, next up is the same case. It's just in clear black, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one. All right, so the big difference with this one is going to be, it is clear, but it has a black border and black MagSafe ring. So if you did have the black iPhone Air, probably gonna go really well with that. I think the clear with the white MagSafe ring goes pretty well. This is the light gold model. And then of course you've also got the white. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Take a look at this one. And as you can see, we have that black MagSafe ring, and of course the black frame all the way around the cutout also. And then of course our stash stand, like so. And that's how that one's gonna look. Even the camera control cover is black also. And here it is from the side. And last but not least is the frosted blue. So this one should have kind of a nice matte texture. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, and this one's gonna have a blue frame, blue MagSafe, and that frosted back. I think that looks really slick. Now it is kind of like a darker blue. And taking a look at that, you can actually see this covers the top also. So that frosted blue is also around our camera, around our flash and microphone. And then you can see the stash stand is a little bit darker also. Looks really, really slick. So if you're not into the clear because, you know, clear cases may scratch a little bit and it might look a little nasty after some time. The frosted looks really nice. You can see it doesn't pick up a lot of light. And of course, you got that really nice blue color. I think that looks really slick. And of course, taking a look at this, you can see we have a blue camera cutout also. Just a really nice look overall. So really, really nice case. And that's a quick look at the hybrid magnetic case. Next, we're going to take a look at the Armorite screen protector from ESR, and this includes 3 screen protectors. So it says Ultra Fit and Flash, includes a cleaning kit and Ultra Fit tray for the screen protector for a quick and easy bubble-free application every time. Ultimate protection, offering up to 110 pounds of pressure resistance to safeguard your screen against drops, bumps, and scratches. And of course, it's going to include three screen protectors, the Ultra Fit tray, cleaning kit, and manual. And this comes in at a price of $19.99. All right, so opening the box, we've got our kit. All right, so opening this up, we've got our scan to watch, a quick setup video. We have a little card to remove any bubbles, and this includes our kit of stuff here. All right, we've got one of our screen protectors. We're gonna go ahead and take this off here and then place this on top up here so it latches on. All right, so we have one of our screen protectors latched up here. Let's go ahead and clean our phone screen. All right, first we have our wet wipe. So remove all the fingerprints, any dirt that may be on the screen. Then we take our little dry wipe, dry any liquid that may remain on there. And before we go on, we have our dust removal sticker. So we'll just go around the display and just remove any dust we may see. Now that we've done all those steps, we're gonna go ahead and place our phone in here, screen down, like so. And then we're going to close the lid, press here, and pull. And we should have a screen protector on our phone now. Quick and easy. All right, let's go ahead and lift this thing out. Okay, and then we've got, and there we have it. Our screen protector is now installed. We'll go ahead and test it out here. Feels great. And then of course, we'll go ahead and check it out with our new case. So let's go ahead and pop our case in here. Of course, it's gonna be compatible. Pop this guy in here. All right, and there you go. So our screen protector and our new case. So there you have it. So there you guys have it, a quick look at the hybrid magnetic case and the Armorite screen protector from ESR. So of course you got these 3 great colors, $26.99, leave a link down below for those, and then $19.99, and you get this 3-pack of screen protectors, very strong, really, really easy to apply. Definitely worth looking into. I'll leave those both linked down below. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.